my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm in my kitchen and I'm sharing with you a sesame chicken in an Instant Pot. It is a 1-pot meal and it is part of a challenge hosted by Juani's Home and Creatively MS Me. And they asked us to share a recipe that only requires 1 pot. So I am sharing with you a full meal. I made this for our dinner. It was the first time I was trying out the recipe, so I'm happy to report that it was pretty delicious. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, it's called sesame chicken. So without further ado, let's get started. You can make this in a pot, 1 pot, or on your stove, or in my case, I will be putting it all in the Instant Pot. We like to eat this with a side of salad, but you can also make rice on a side if you wish to. We don't. My husband and I, anyways, once in a while I'll make it for the kids, but most of the time we just eat it as is. So for this recipe, you will need chicken. So I have 4 chicken breasts cut up. I have 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. I have half a cup of soy sauce. Then I have 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I do not have any fresh ginger, so I have half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a cup of brown sugar. You could substitute this with coconut sugar or organic brown sugar, or if you want some agave syrup. I don't have any of those except brown sugar. A cup of chicken broth. I'm using my homemade stuff. Then you need 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, half a cup of water, and then you'll need half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes and cornstarch and some water. 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to dump everything inside the Instant Pot except the cornstarch, or in my case I'm using xanthan gum. So chicken, sesame oil, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, brown sugar, rice vinegar, water, and chili flakes. I'm going to mix it all up. So I'm going to shut the lid, turn the vent on, and turn it on manual on high pressure. So manual on high pressure for 5 minutes. Manual. There. So it is done. I'm going to turn this on saute on low and add this little mixture. I just like to strain it so I don't have any lumps. Okay, and I'm going to cook it and let it thicken up for about 2-3 minutes. So I turned this Instant Pot off, and to finish it off I'm just adding green onions and some sesame seed. And it's done. Here it is with the side of salad. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And make sure you check out both Juani's and Stephanie's channel down below. I will have their channels linked, as well as the playlist with all the other ladies participating in this challenge. And there will be a ton of recipes for you to look at and choose from. So make sure you check out the playlist as well. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. I would love for you to press the subscribe button and stick around. I post cooking videos often, and make sure that notification bell is on so you don't miss any of them. So until next time, I would like to thank everybody for stopping by my channel, and thank you for watching. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.